they have given 4 terms. We want to find out the fifth term. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. In that A is 2 plus 4 into half. D also half. Not D also, D is half. So we have to cancel it. 4 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we have to move with A5. Not A5, A6. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. They have taken the LCM. So we will get 9 by 2. Next A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to 2 plus 6 into half. At 6 into half we have to cancel it. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore next 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Next we have to go with third sum. In that they have given A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 terms. In that they are telling it is the AP because they got the constant is minus 2, minus 2. So next 4 terms how to find out means A5 is equal to A plus 4D. Same procedure. Here A is first term minus 1.2 plus D is minus 2. We know that how to find out the D. A2 minus A1 minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. Minus of minus 1.2 is plus 1.2. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is equal to minus 2. Then we have to substitute in that formula. A5 is equal to A plus 4 into D. Then they have reduced 4 twos are 8. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 1.2 minus 8 is equal to minus 9.2. So both will be negative means add and put negative sign. Like that they have found out another 2 terms A6 and A7. Then we will move with fourth sum A1, A2, A3, A4. They given the 4 terms. A1 is minus 10. T is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is second term minus 6 minus of minus 10. This minus you should not forget that is it is in the formula itself. Minus 6 minus of minus is 10. Minus of minus is plus 10. So plus 10 we will get. Minus 6 plus 10 is 4 plus 4. Like that they have done another one D. A3 minus A2 minus 2 minus of minus 6. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So in that they got D is 4. So like that we have to find out the other 3 terms A5, A6, A7. A5 means A plus 4D. A6 means A plus 5D, A plus 6D. They have substituted in formula. They found out the answer 6, 10, 14. So other 3 terms are 6, 10, 14. So while doing that you should do carefully these steps. How they got the answer. 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 10 is 6. Okay students. Next we will move with fifth sum 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 etc. In this A1 is 3. T is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. In this plus 3 minus 3 will be cancel means you will get root 2. So D is equal to root 2. So another we have to find out whether it is coming constant or not. A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2. You have to multiply with minus in this bracket. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. In this 2 will be cancelled. Plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. And remaining what is there means 2 root 2 minus 2. 2 root 2 minus 2 is only root 2 because here 1 is the meaning. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. Now common difference is root 2 root 2. So they made another 3 terms. A5 is equal to a plus 4d, 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus, we cannot able to add that because this is the square root part, this is the natural number. Unable to add these two terms. So you have to write as it is. So what will get me 3 plus 4 root 2 is 3 plus 4 root 2 only. Next a6 is equal to a plus 5d, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 only. This step you have to understand, students, because unable to add these two things because this is the square root part, this is natural number. No need to add it. Don't tell 3 plus 5 is 8 ma'am. No. Just you should write as it is. Okay. Next we will move